Hello there, my name is Solomon Silvanos, and today I want to teach you about video content creation. Now, the word may sound too compound, but it's not really actually, and it's a very simple process if you can follow what I'm about to show you right now. And before you dive into video content creation, there are some things you need to learn and there's some things you need to know. And some of the things you'll be using in video content creation, you're going to be using your stock footages and your stock pictures. And trust me, all these things you can get them online free or paid for. Now, without wasting much of our time or without further ado, let's dive into it and let's go to our screen and see. Now, to get your stock footages, there are so many websites you can go, but one of the best one that I love using is Pexels. I love my Pexels.com. It has a lot of footages. I'm not being sponsored by Pexels, but I just love them, and I do upload some of my work too. I have some of my work too uploaded on Pexel. You can get a lot of footages, anything you want. Just switch to explore and then you can get so many footages there. You can see these are some of my uploads. But now, so once you learn how to get your stock footages and your stock pictures, you can go to FreePic to get your stock pictures. Now look at FreePic. You have a lot of stock footages that you can use to create amazing content. And now today I want to introduce you to Invideo.io. Invideo.io. I came about this website via the contact of my friend in UK. He gave me this address and he said, "Whoa, I do see your content, but anytime you need something fast and anytime you need to create beat-side ads, you can always check out Invideo.io. And on Invideo.io, you can create a whole lot of things: YouTube videos, you can create Facebook ads, you can create Instagram ads, you can have logo animation, a whole lot of content. Like, you can do so many things. You have the summer slideshow, you have slideshow, you have a company intros, and a whole lot. And you can always search for anything you want to create. Let's say I want to create something for architecture or architecture company or anything like that. I could search architecture and it's going to give me a whole lot of content on architecture. You can see you have architectural services, you have promo, you have a whole lot. Now let's say I want to work on this. It's a very simple platform, like I said. Let's say I want to work on this. Sorry, before I move on to that, you can create an account with them if you want, and if you don't want, you may tend to just work as a guest. Now on my Invideo, I can search for anything. Let's say I want to do a promo. I can click promo, just press enter, and it's going to give me a whole lot of content on promo. As you can see, a whole lot of content. If you want to do for logo animation, you can just click on logo and it's going to give you a whole lot of things on logo. As you can see, very easy, very easy to create, very easy. See, soft and sweet animations that you have here. Okay, let's just do one logo and then let me show you how it works. Let's say I want to edit this one. I'll just click on it and I'll come down here and click on use this template. I'll click on use this template and I'll wait for the AI to bring up my platform where I'm supposed to work. Now it's loading and you just allow it to load. So now it has loaded the interface that we're going to work, and look at all these places you can do amazing things. Here you have your template. Here you can upload so many pictures that you can use, and your stock footages that I showed you the website you can download from, and your video, image, music. You can import your own music or use their own custom music. You can see a whole lot of things. Now if you look at this corner, I had imported some logos earlier, which I did for a client, Canis Space, and then I want to do another one now so that you can see. So it's very easy. Look at the interface. This is where all the projects you're working on, this is where you see it. Let's just call it, and this is your timeline. On your timeline, this is where you have your video clips or your footages that you want to import, and here you have your audio. And here you can add as many scene, blank scene or from template as you want. It is so super easy. So all you need to do is just to click on upload here, and then it will show you, it will take you to where you can upload your logo. That is, if you have not uploaded, let's say I want to upload for Superfest logo, I will click open, and then my logo will be uploaded and it will appear here. It is super easy, super easy. You can as well edit the text. Everything is easy. If you want to edit the text, all you need to do is double click on the text, and then you can edit the text. Super easy. You can increase the size or reduce the size to whatever you want to increase it to. You can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the text color, give it whatever color you want. You see, you can change the color. You can do a whole lot of things. This is where you have your animation, you have your loop, a whole lot of things you can do with this Invideo.io. Now, and once you're done, you want to save it or you want to export it, all you need to do is just click on download and share. Super easy. Click on download and share and just click on export. By default, you have this size, but if you upgrade to a premium, you will be able to use the 1080 pixels, but now we are using the 720, which is also good. So you just click on export and you allow it to load. As you're seeing on my screen now, you allow it to load. Is super easy. All right, now let's work on something else. Let's say I want to do a promo ad for an architecture company. All I need to do is come here and search for architecture, and it's going to bring me a whole, I can say architecture intro. It's going to bring me a whole lot of architectural contents here, as you can see. And okay, I just need to check for the one I want to use. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's use this. This is beautiful. So I'll just click on architecture and click on use this template. I forgot to mention you can also change the size. I'm using this wide size because it's good for YouTube. This square is good for Instagram, and this vertical is good for your phone. Now look at the content. So I'll just click on use this template and allow the AI to bring up my template so that I can edit. Okay, my canvas has loaded. So all I need to do right now is just to edit. So I'll just click on the build a house. Was never so easy. Okay, I love that, but let me change it. Okay, so I'll just double click on the text and I'll just write, nope, let me write your dream house. Don't worry about this. The AI is going to take care of everything for you. So all you need to do is just edit. So, and I can come here. If I want to change this video, we allow it to load, and I can change this video if I want to. All I need to do is just come to video here, and then you see you can get video from iStock or from premium media, but I want to upload my own video. So I'll just click on this upload videos. Just for experimental sake, I'll just come here. Let me look for one shot. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Let's look at this one, and I'll just click open. Once it has uploaded, I will allow it to upload. Once it has uploaded here, I can now bring my video by just dragging it here. I just need to drag my video and just click on replace, and then it will bring you this dialog box so that you can trim whatever one you want to trim away, and then you just click done. So super. This is just your network. Just preview anyway, and then if you want to delete anyone that you don't want there, you can just click on it and just click on delete. That's all. Say yes, and that's all. And you can also add your own scene. You can add your scene here, add your own scene here, change a whole lot of things. So if you work well, if you just look at the website well, it's so easy. It's so easy, and you can create amazing, amazing, amazing content on the website. And then once you're done, you click on download and share to bring you export, and you allow your video to export. Look at it like this. It's working. It's working. Okay. You allow your video to export. Once it's on 100%, it will bring you to another dialog box that you just have to click on export. So this is about Invideo.io. This is Invideo.io. You can check it out on your laptop. And if you are using a smartphone, use Google Chrome so that you can change from mobile view to desktop view. This will allow you to work on your mobile phone. If you have any question, you can drop your questions in the comment section below on my YouTube page, or you can send me an email, or probably WhatsApp me. So I'll be coming your way again with some amazing ways you can create content. You can do video content creation without stress.